Meaning of footstool.
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 Footstool. A footstool is a low support used to raise the feet while sitting. It is typically a small, portable piece of furniture that can be moved around the room and placed in front of a chair or sofa. Footstools are usually made of wood, metal, or upholstered materials. They can be used for comfort or as a decorative accent to a room's furnishings. Footstools can also serve as extra seating in a pinch, or as a makeshift table to hold books, magazines, or other small items.